Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa Andrea Judge TV. Hi guys. Currently naglalakad tayo papunta sa bahay nila Dex and Chai dahil nagpapatulong, no. I think binenta ni Dexter yung ano niya, yung riding na lawnmower, and bumili siya ng bago, no, yung talagang ano lang, lawnmower lang talaga na normal. And may kumuha or may bumili, no, I think sa marketplace ata, and taga Gurney, Illinois yung kukuha. And sabi naman yung bibili daw is may kasama naman daw, pero naninigurado lang si Dexter na yun, baka kailanganin ng tulong. Kaya tinext niya ako, minessage niya ako kanina. Actually, minessage niya ako, tulog ako. And kagigising ko lang nung bandang mga 4. Dapat mga 5:40 daw dadating. And na-late yung bibili dahil may nakalimutan, bumalik pa ulit. Yun na yan. Punta tayo dun sa bahay nila. Malapit na tayo actually. Nandun na yun. Ayun, doon. And wala pa nakikita sa sasakyan eh. Kaya siguro mag-aantay pa tayo ng konti. So, ganda ng weather ngayon guys. Ang sarap. Malapit na mag-spring sa March 20 na. And nag-daylight saving na din, no? So, umatras ng, hey, what's up? Umatras ng konti yung oras. O nabawasan kami ng oras. Kaya yung currently I think 6:30 na ata. And makikita nyo maliwanag pa. So maganda na guys. Medyo umaano na yung paligid. Lumiliwanag na. Ayan, pasok lang tayo kila Dex sa kila Chai. Baka na-miss nyo yung Dex and Chai guys. Tagal din nilang dinasama sa vlog, no. So ayun, bukas yung pinto nila. And papasok na tayo. Hindi nila ata alam kung nagpo-vlog ako. So tingnan natin. Tao po. Ay, nandun ba sa garahe daw. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung bibenta ni Dex, guys. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ata yung binili niya eh. Ayan o, ito. So, ito nakuha din namin sa marketplace to. And, may vlog ako na ito eh. So, hanapin nyo na lang. Parang FB Market. Parang 2 years ago na din yan. Tao po. Boss. Okay lang, nagbablog ako. Okay lang. Tagal na daw, pre. Ayan. Oy!
Pare, kamusta?
Kamusta? Oy, thank you. Ha?
Madam.
Madam Chai. Kamusta? Ready na ba to? Ito yung ba yung banana, guys? May FB page ka ba?
Wala pa. Soon.
So, anong pangalan ng nung ganito? Wala pa din.
Daming tawag?
Tawag.
Tawag daw sa gawa, babe.
Banana matcha.
Classic lang, no?
Classic banana matcha. Yan, pero maraming flavor, di ba?
maraming flavor.
Nag-umpisa na yan sa
Kaya ako sinabing
marketplace.
classic kasi parang yung regular na, timpla. Totoong banana matcha.
Grabe talaga, oh. Next may cafe na kami, ha?
Yung pa rin yung dati.
Dati na.
Yung matcha.
Yung matcha. Ito pa din yan. Chai, thank you, ha? Ayun si Chai, oh. Shout out. Tagal na daw, eh. Ilang months, parang December pa ata ako nag-vlog, eh. Kasama kayo.
Pare.
Pambiro. Ano ba tawag nito, guys?
After 2 years.
After
2 years, pare.
Pre, may mga nagbabike na, oh. Ano na ba? Pre.
Si Zion pa rin.
Si Zion. Ano ba, pre? One last ride.
One last ride.
Ikot mo. Ikot mo doon.
Kina-charge ko na eh. Hindi na ako hindi na nag-hold ng charge.
Hindi na.
Yung one last ride na ito, pre. Yung pag-akit sa
Pakir na doon. Okay.
Sabi nung charge mo overnight hanggang makarating ako para may onting juice para makaabang.
Pero alam niya.
Alam niya.
Okay. Guys, may vlog kami na ito, nung kinuha namin. At think, bago-bago pa lang ako sa YouTube nito eh. Grabe, primo pa yung sasakyan nun eh.
May YouTube ka na ba?
Nag-vlog ko to. Sobrang bago. Ito yung mga unang vlog ko eh.
Unang vlog. Pre, panoorin mo
Panoorin. Ayan. So guys, ito pala. Nasa FB Marketplace to, pre, no? So hanapin nyo lang, Chai? Paano ba mag-search sa Marketplace? Mga taga-Illinois dyan, no? Like Daryl, kung gusto mo order, pre. Sinoutout, no, pre, Nestor. Baka order, taga-Yorkville lang to, eh.
Ay, akala ko ito.
Hindi. Ito.
Okay, pare.
Yung drinks.
Ano lang, search nyo lang, ano.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Si Chad,
Si Chad nag-post.
Ayan, basta.
Guys,
Comment lang
pero
kayo.
Promise,
Masarap.
napakasarap.
Masarap. Ito, testing natin.
Oh,
ah.
bias.
Saan ba yung butas na ito, Brad? Ito ba yan? Yan, tingnan natin.
Yan.
Kailan ba ng straw niyan?
Sealed kasi to, pre.
Oo, sealed, po. Ay, pre,
Kaya kalupit,
tinitest to eh.
Ha?
Tinitest to.
Sige.
Parang yung DQ. Kung
Sige.
sealed talaga.
Sige.
Kasi
Hindi, pre, para patunayan natin.
Sige, sealed
Alam
daw
ko,
yun.
malakas
Sealed
loob
daw
ko,
to, ha?
Malakas
Sealed.
loob ko.
Sealed?
Oo, pre,
Hindi nga.
sealed yan. Uy!
Uy!
Ay!
Andyan to sila. Approve. Ayan.
Guys.
Pre, parang nasabak ka sa gera.
Hindi.
Ha?
Linisan ko lang ng konti para makita ng buyer.
Okay.
Pero
Ayun.
malinis na talaga to.
Magkano kuha?
Kano kuha? 500.
2 years, guys. 2 years na simula yung nag-vlog tayo, di ba?
Oo, I mean,
Tagal na tayo dito eh.
goods naman to eh. Goods naman. Battery na talaga. Sa
Battery.
mga electric, pinapalitan talaga.
Oo.
4 years na to pala.
Oo.
In total.
Yung ito talaga mismo.
4 years kasi nung may-ari dati, 2 years.
2 years, tapos sa'yo 2 years.
Actually, nung January lang ng 2 years to.
Oo.
Hindi pa umabot ng 2 years. Kasi ano.
Ayun guys.
Lumalas na lang, 4
History
years.
neto. Ito yung binili ni Dex na bago. Pares ba tayo, pre?
Hindi.
Di ba? Ano ba to?
Ryobi yan eh.
Ryobi. Ryobi system si Dex, no? Kami, Greenworks kami. Greenworks. Ayun.
Pero Greenworks yung ano, pre.
Battery.
Yung day.
Yung shovel. Ayun guys. So, antayin lang namin. Tagal eh. Abangan lang namin ni Dex. And update namin kayo. Pakita namin yung ano, yung pag-rampa na ito sa ano mamaya.
Bali, same lang eh.
Pangatlo na, no? Pangatlong beses na siya rampa. Ay, hindi, pangalawa.
Pangalawa.
Ayun.
Bali, parang same lang din yung gagawin natin. Ganun din ginawa
Ganun
niya.
din?
May dalawang ramp din siya.
Oo.
Metal.
So, tas dalawa din sila.
Dalawa din sila.
Hindi pa rin, baka bumalik pa. Baka bumalik. Naalala mo nung nakaraan? Pinunta natin.
Kasi
kasama na ang dami natin. Si Kuya Alan, ako.
Hindi natuloy.
Hindi natuloy. Tapos, ayun.
Hindi, pero ito. Ako,
okay.
sure na ako.
Sure na. May drive niya din pa rin.
Hindi pa rin nag-ano. Hindi talaga gumagana.
Ayun. So, okay na din. At least, nagamit mo. Tapos 500.
Sa totoo lang, talaga eh. Maganda siya gamitin. Mabilis, ganyan. Wala lang talaga akong time. Tsaka nakabili na kasi akong bago.
Oo.
Ayoko na mag-doble-doble ng gastos. Bibili pa
Ayan.
ako ng battery.
Ang tanong pre, ito yung pinatanong. Kailan daw kayo mag-upload?
Ay, malapit na.
Malapit na.
Ito sinabi namin dati.
Next year ulit.
Sobrang lapit na guys. Sobrang lapit.
yeah,
Dex
yeah.
and Chai nga pala.
Dex and Chai.
Sa
Subscribe
mga hindi pa nakakilala, Dex and Chai.
Basta subscribe lang sila.
Subscribe lang kayo, abangan nila.
Abangan sila lang yung upload.
Tsaka mga gantong shirt.
Yeah.
Nag-ano
Nag-promote na naman.
Promote pala, Michi Boy.
Michi Boy.
Hardware.
Ayun, shoutout no, baka naman. Ay, King James. Idol mo ba si Lebron?
Hindi. Stephen ako.
Stephen K.
Oy!
Ayan. O sige guys, update namin kayo later. Let's go. Guys, titikman natin
Pangalan mo?
Ha?
Pangalan mo?
Ha?
Tagasang ka?
Ha?
Tasang ka?
Ha?
Dikotsi ka? Dikotsi ka?
Naging pipe, no?
Pare, hindi.
Ha?
Wala ka ba dala?
Wala.
Huli ko sa ating kotse mo, wala ka nalala eh.
Hindi ko dadalhin eh. Ayun, naglakad lang ako, pre. Sarap, guys. Promise. Mga taga-Illinois dyan. Ma'am SMK, no? Baka gusto nyo i-try.
Sino man siya pang SMK?
Yung taga Naperville, laging umorder sa amin ng pandesal.
Oh!
Ayun.
Sakto yun, ma'am, mo. Sarap no.
Sarap.
Napakamakan pandesal, tapos kape or matcha.
Oo, kape. Pre, kape tapos matcha.
Ha?
Kape.
Ay, hindi.
kape
Tapos
matcha.
Sorry.
Parang bad combination
Mali
yun.
ata, ma'am. Mali ata.
Nako, pre.
Tapos pala,
Ayun, mo.
matcha, tapos
Pandesal.
Spanish
Spanish
bread.
bread. Merienda.
Or kape, Spanish bread, matcha,
Oo.
Spanish bread. Sarap nun.
Oo, masarap. Mama, Daryl, baka gusto mo order Daryl.
Tara,
Taga
dalhin na natin.
Si Ernesto Pogi yun.
Oo nga,
Oo.
dalhin na natin.
Dalhin na natin, gamit yun. Baka bukas pa tayo makarating, pre.
Boss, shout out.
Ayan, Ernesto
Kamusta ka na?
Pogi. Ayan,
Tagal din
Joby, ayan, baka gusto nyo umorder ng mga ganito. Ayan, sinoutout na lahat ng taga Illinois na. Sir Arnold Booker, yan, 1
Yun.
hour drive. I-deliver ni Dex yan. One
Sa
hour.
Indiana.
Oo, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pre. Ayan, so, ayun, wala kami nag-aantay pa rin kami. Sabi,
After
parating na
20
daw.
years eh. Wala ka pa rin eh.
Yeah. Sige guys, later na lang. Highly recommended. Let's go. Guys, kala namin ito na talaga eh. Sabi namin, big time pa naman. Sabi, shallow daw. Tapos, ang laki nung... Tapos, ang laki nung truck. Tingnan mo naman.
Shallow lane truck ko. Shallow lane truck niya, mababa lang daw. Pagdating...
Hindi, lumiko eh. Lumiko.
Ito na yun.
Oo.
Hindi pala, Shanghai pala guys.
Ano sinabi mo yung pangalan? Daniel? Hindi. No, Julio.
Kasama si Daniel? Hindi. Ay, sorry.
Shanghai pala yung kukunin. Lalagay na sana namin eh. Umorder pala ng Shanghai kay
Para sa
Chai.
kanya pala ganito ka shallow, no? Ang laki. So iba pala niya sa akin, monster truck pala.
Monster truck. Ang laki talaga eh, oh. Tingnan mo naman, men, oh. Oh, ang laki. Oh, dito ako. Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys, oh. Tingnan mo, guys, oh. Ang laki, men. Pag ikaw siguro sumakay dyan, no? Gaganong ka. Yung hakbang mo malaki.
Parang siya.
Oo.
Ganun siya sa
Oo. Pagbaba.
Pare kung sino ka mag...
Paano yung baba niya? Ganon. Nagmura ka na.
Sato sa'yo, sumuha.
Oh, yan.
Dito ka sa kanan ko ngayon. Hindi ako.
Ayan. Alright, yung pala, umorder kayo. Ilalagay na namin to eh. Chay eh. Shanghai pala eh. Kala namin yun kasi truck eh. Di ba? Thank you. Bakit thank you, no? Thank you. Yeah.
We got pretty good deals.
Yeah.
It's a smaller dealership.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Nice. Can I take a video, bro? Can I take a video?
Yeah.
Look at this truck, guys. It's a monster truck, man. Oh yeah, I think I saw that on Facebook. Because they put lights there too, right? At the bottom, yeah. Wow, this is big in person. I just saw it in a video.
Put that bed liner on. That's something I like.
Yeah.
But I didn't like put it up here.
Look at the rim, guys.
I didn't like how you put
Yeah.
it on the
Right over here. It's so good, man. When I saw it, it's like, whoa, is this a monster truck coming in?
palms. Thank you. I'll give it a rip for you guys.
Alright, thanks Julio. So guys, yun na yun guys, oh. Ganda guys, oh. Para siyang electric na close van. Ang ganda. Ang astig. Ayan, oh. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na ito guys. Sabi ni Dex sa kanya daw to eh. Kasyang-kasya nga. Malaki makukuha. Ayan, oh. Ay, electric. Electric Dex. Electric yung yung sasakyan. Oh, walang walang tunog eh. Tama mo, 'di ba? Yung tunog. Ganda nga, no? Ngayon din ako nakita na ganyan eh, astig eh. Oh. Ha? May cone pa. Ayan guys, i-ready lang namin guys, baka di na ako makapag-vlog. Maya-maya na lang.
Mahusay ito. Ha? Ba marunong to? Talaga Oo, mag-drive. Oo. Kasi mag-drive. Malamang naka-out dito. Marunong to? Mag-drive. Malamang umabot dito.
Like yung door eh. Oh, ganun eh. Parang isang buong, yung pintuan niya isang buong ganun. Parang pwede i-convert na RV to, eh. Siguro may fast charger siya. Mukhang dito yung charger. Yes. That's it. There you go.
Where you guys from? Where you guys from?
Philippines.
I was gonna say because I heard your dialect.
Oh, yeah?
I was gonna say. I know I was in Chicago. I know a lot of Filipinos.
Oh, yeah? Have you been in Seafood City?
No,
Like the Filipinos?
but yeah, she works with a bunch of Filipinos. Co-workers.
Hello, how are you? Tiffany.
Jed.
Tiffany,
Hi,
nice to meet
Tiffany.
you.
My daughter named
Hello.
Tiffany.
Oh, yeah? Nice, nice, good name.
That's
Are
Sherman.
you get close to the truck so I can.
Yeah, I think that, this one's good, yeah.
Let's do inspection, right?
Yeah.
How do you spell? Is it Tiff? How do you spell it?
Tiffamy.
Okay, that's awesome.
Oh, that's same.
So
Yeah.
more smaller than I think.
Yeah.
Doctor said in Wisconsin you need electric now? For
Yeah, well,
lawnmower?
Yeah, some
Regulation?
cities.
Oh, some
they-
subsidies.
I'm
Some
preparing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
for sure, man. That's good, that's good. Well,
Because
electric
I
is nice.
have like gas machines.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And but I want to prepare.
Yeah.
So I don't want to be left out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, bro, you got electric truck.
Yeah, I know.
I was getting in there.
I got electric. I have a small lawnmower, electric.
Electric.
When I purchased my first house,
Yeah.
I had that brand.
Mhm.
It was a small one. I bought
Oh, like a
display
Uh,
from the manager. He had display with
I
the
think he's trying to get me to
accessories.
cut the grass, guys. That's like,
That's
Because I have
like, I
one
have no excuse now.
I'm like, alright.
It's so
okay.
easy, you just gonna drive it.
I have no excuse. I'm like, okay,
It was
your
like that
turn.
one. It was 40 volts.
Oh, this is Charmaine.
Oh, so you did-
Dexter's
Hi,
wife.
how are you? Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
This is
My wife.
Tiffany.
Like Tiffany.
Like
Oh.
Tiffany.
We know a lot of Filipinos.
Oh.
I used to live in Chicago.
Where are you from?
I'm from Illinois.
I mean, no.
From America.
Bernie?
No.
Yeah.
Like-
So Zion.
Oh, Zion.
Oh, Zion.
Six Flags Great America.
Yeah. We used to camp there. I forgot the campsite. But that was Zion.
National,
Okay.
the park.
The park. Yeah.
They have a campground right there.
Yeah. We always go camping in there.
Yeah.
What the beach is that they call?
Oh, you talking about?
Yeah.
No, it's
No,
not.
Illinois State
Oh,
Beach
there
Park.
we go.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah,
what's the
yeah.
name?
We're
Yeah.
still there.
Every summer we go there.
So I deal with a lot of business with Asians in general,
Yeah.
Chinese, Japanese, and Filipinos.
And so Filipino.
So I do a lot of communications over the phone. But when I was younger in Chicago,
Yeah.
a lot of because it's like diverse in
Yeah.
Chicago.
Yeah.
There's many different
Yeah,
nationalities.
true. That's why we love
So
it here.
I used to eat over my neighbor's
Yeah.
house,
Uh-huh.
the Filipinos.
Oh yeah.
They-
When you have a Filipino neighbor,
Yeah.
that's for sure. You do video, okay? You have your food.
Daniel, you can eat.
Yeah.
No, join the
And then
family.
you can't go home without the food with you. Like, should bring one.
So I
Yeah.
was like, I got you guys a humble culture.
Yeah.
You guys don't look to you don't have no animosity. You guys
Yeah.
don't get angry. I'm not saying the Filipinos perfect.
Yeah, no,
Because
yeah.
there's, they have crime and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah,
and,
true. There's no
but-
perfect.
But I think
Like in general,
yeah,
kind of.
they try to like take care of each other.
Yeah.
Like if you need some help and you're on the side of the road,
Yeah.
they will,
And then family first. And then when you go to the Philippines, our number one motto or like our what's that we call it? What we offer there is our hospitality.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we're number one with that.
Uh-huh.
Like Filipino
Yes.
hospitality.
Mhm.
You can like when you go, for example, you go to someone's house in there, they even give you their main bedroom for you to sleep in. Yeah, that's how we. It's like, oh, you can sleep here, it's okay, and then I'm gonna sleep on the couch. So don't worry, so the visitors comes first.
Yeah.
So that's our kind of like culture in there.
Yeah, I like it. I told my friends, I said, if I ever want a neighbor, I say I want a Filipino neighbor.
Oh, we still have a
Like any
lot.
neighbor over anybody else, I prefer
We
Filipino
still have a lot
neighbor.
of open houses here, though. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Guys, update lang. Ano ba yun?
Time check,
Yung-
pare.
yung-
Time check.
Alam mo yung SpongeBob? 3 hours later.
Literal, pre.
Oh, literal, guys. Pero shoutout no kay Daniel, tapos asawa niya si Tiffany. Napakabait, mabait. Una sa lahat mabait sila.
Genuine.
Genuine. Oo, talaga. Yun nga lang, grabe yung kwento. Ang dami namin na pag-usapan.
Sobrang haba.
Haba.
Haba ng kwento.
Next time,
Mabot namin kalalim-laliman.
ang lalim na, pre. Nagpumpisa kami sa race, sa government, sa religion, sa aliens, sa ghost. Diba? Ang dami. Pati yung hindi, nagsimula pa tayo sa mga electronics.
Doon muna una.
Oo, doon na una eh. Pero ayun, shoutout, mabait naman. Okay naman sila. Pero yun nga, anong oras kami natapos. Kung nakita nyo naman sa mga video. Ngayon, guys, siguro dito ko natatapos yung vlog. Mahaba na yung vlog eh. Ito, tagal naka-started na.
Agad ba?
Oo. Ayan, and ayun, patuloy pa rin kami gagawa ng mga nursing vlogs, Boy America vlogs, and syempre, travel vlogs. So, abangan nyo. Baka pumunta kami ng Missouri. Branson. Baka available kayo.
Sige.
Ito, pag-usapan natin. Ayan, so, ayun guys, sige, ingat kayo pa natin. God bless. Bye!